All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. What do we got going on? We got a water trajectory test. We're going to see what the bullet's doing when it makes impact, expands, going through the water jugs with our scientifically gridded wood. And see how much it deviates off course after impact. So y'all stick around. This is at 100 yards. And this is that. So there you go. Stay tuned and see how it goes down. We're about 100 yards, and we're going to do the flight trajectory after impact. See how it goes. All right, let's see what we got. All right, here we go. Flight trajectory. We have, this is number 2. See if we can find number 1. Number 1, calling ticket number 1. All right, number 1 was actually about 15 feet behind the camera that way in the tall grass. Got a solid smack on here. Again, I didn't make the adjustments, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, we got a solid smack going in. We have punched board number 2. This is getting interesting. We're in board number 3. Need to find the jugs. I wish I would have numbered the jugs now. All right, here we go. Here is the water trajectory of the Hornady 223, 55 grain soft point at 100 yards. We got an impact on the first board. As you can see, we got our scientific lines drawn here. Hole going in, you can see that they're pretty much in about the same spot. We're not changing course again. This is where it kind of got weird. Is we hit there. I guess the bullet exploded. It really didn't. That's what it did. So I guess I have no clue. I guess enough came out of that to go into the next jug and to cause. I mean, that's a solid little ding in there. I mean, it's basically roughly in the same spot. I mean, it's a little off, but these two are definitely there. And then after that, I mean, that's where I would figure it would start going straight anyways. But like I said, there was no recovery of the bullet. It looks like it just totally vaporized, and whatever hit that bounced off. So with that being said, after impact and expansion, that is still a straight flying bullet right there for you. That is Hornady 223. These are cheaper rounds, I guess, compared to most. But I mean, that's a solid neck shooting, deer neck shooting bullet right there, no doubt. I mean, you hit them in the neck and you dropping them. So there you go.